Okay, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're inside David's bathroom, and this is the front bathroom, and this was completely redone, floor to ceiling tile. We've got a linear drain, so what this means is there's no curb, and you really can't see it, but there's a 1/4 inch per foot slope, and the drain is back there, tiled over it, and there's a nice rain shower head. Got a slide bar for the wand, and the control is separate and away from this, so you can reach in and turn the water on without getting hit over there. So that's a nice feature, and this is a nice frameless door. You can see the nice setup over here. You can see the toilet, of course, over here. Nice brand new vanity, mirror with a nice designer lamp coming down. We've got recessed lights here that have aimable eyeballs, and they give a nice soft light on here. And this is tile, by the way, floor to ceiling on all of these walls here. So that's a quick look at what went on here, and you can see the earlier videos. This was actually part of the other bathroom that was all reconfigured. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with a nice another custom bathroom. So Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, thank you.